Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is managing browser window size and viewport. Viewport size matters because many UI elements behave differently on different screen sizes. If viewport is wrong, locators may fail even if your code is correct. In Playwright, viewport means the visible area of the page inside the browser. This is different from just maximizing the browser window. A responsive application can show different layouts based on viewport. Menus become hamburg menus. Buttons move. Some elements hide or change position. So if your local machine is 1290 into 1080, then your CI runs smaller. Text can behave differently. That's why we must set viewport deliberately for stable automation. If you see in the sample script, I am creating a new browser context using the new context async method. Here, the viewport is configured. Next, I set a fixed size, that is viewport size. Viewport size I am setting to width 1920, height 1080. This ensures consistent UI layout. If I don't see viewport, Playwright uses a default size and responsive UI may change. Now the application loads with a stable layout. So locators and UI behavior remain consistent. This is why setting viewport is important for CI stability and cross-machine consistency. So I will run the script, then you will see the difference. Till today, whatever scripts we were running, the page was small. Now, if we run the script, the page will be maximum. If you see, the page is loaded maximum size. That's why these settings are important when we use viewport. So now I will close the application. Always control viewport size in automation. It removes layout based on flakiness across different environments. Viewport controls layout. Layout controls locators.